Hey everybody, it's me at Lisa the Love Coach with another episode of Lisa's Lowdown on Love. And today I have a juicy topic that came through a viewer mail, a fan mail, a person who follows me mail. I don't even know what to call them, but a mail came through and I knew it was a topic that I could bring to the lowdown. So here it goes. Ready? What is the deal with the trepidation and apprehension and tiptoeing around when to text your guy? Ladies, you have sex. You had sex. You had sex. Text them if you want to text them. Call them if you want to call them. I don't get it. This is what I don't understand about today's modern woman. Please, people. First of all, can you please have a dating strategy? You are totally putting yourself in these positions of anxiety, worry, constant concern, overthinking, simply because you don't have a dating strategy. What do I mean by a dating strategy? It's knowing, number one, what you want. Do you want a serious relationship? Are you just dating to date? Are you dating with power and purpose? What is your end game? When you know that, you're going to handle yourself differently. Number two, communication. Communication, nobody knows how to communicate. No one knows how to communicate. Let's say you want a boyfriend. You want someday a husband. Why are you not saying this? Why are you not learning how to communicate that in a way that makes you look like a high value woman? A high value woman that makes the guy feel special and extraordinary, that he's even like breathing the same air as you. Why such eggshell walking around? Because I don't want to scare him. I don't want to scare him away. I don't want to scare him away. BS, honey. If he's scared, he's not your guy. And guess what? There are plenty more where he came from. And that's the key thing. There's a scarcity mindset in the dating community, the dating marketplace. It's like everyone thinks that it's like musical chairs and the music's gonna stop and who you end up with is who you end up with, whether you like it or not. If you even end up with somebody. There is such a scarcity mindset. It is crazy. People are dating, they meet somebody, they get along with them, they're having sex way too soon, they're having sex before certain key conversations are even had, and they're so apprehensive to have these perfect conversations. They're like necessary conversations, and nobody wants to have them. Simple conversations such as, what do you want? And what are you looking for? And where are you in your life? And all of these things can easily be communicated. Easily. And you're tripping yourselves up because you're not thinking. You're just going out to date without a clear purpose, without a clear intention, and you're just like playing this guessing game, and then you have sex with this person, and then it becomes, I don't know, do I text him? Should I text him? We had sex, like it's the first time we had sex, and it was like really good sex, and it was amazing, and like I don't even know what this means. I mean, does it mean something? Yes, it always means something. Yes. What is wrong with you? Yes. It drives me crazy. I'm like, you girls, please honor your mind, your soul, your body. You're a queen, right? You have sex with a guy and he's like in you. I'm sorry, but you can text him pretty much whenever you want. That's it. That's it, done. And if you can't handle that, then you have to do some soul searching. You need to get in there and you need to understand, what is it about me that is so walking on eggshells around guys? Why am I not speaking my truth about what I want in my life right now? What is up with that? Why am I so afraid to say, hey dude, listen, I would love to go on a second date with you, but you know what? I have to be really clear about the intention that I would be bringing on that second date. So here's where I am in my life right now. And listen, no pressure, no harm, no foul. You found a friend in me no matter what. But needs to be said, needs to be clear, just so there's no weirdness between us, that I am in a place in my life right now where I'm looking for the real deal. A real committed, one-on-one, harmonious, stress-free, joyous relationship. Growth. I'm into the growth. I want to grow. I want someone else to grow with me. You follow what I'm saying? So here's my dating style. I prefer only focusing on one person at a time. That's just the way I am. I would rather hang out with you and see your beautiful face for the next 3 weeks and then know that I'm only seeing you. And this way, if we decide that it's just friends and we're better as friends, we can actually be friends because I never did anything shady. I don't like the juggling. I'm too busy. It's not my vibe. And since I respect my body, my mind, my soul, my spirit, I require the same thing in return. So I'm a one-on-one girl, and if you're cool with that, then I'd gladly go on date number 2. So what do you think? 9 times out of 10, men are going to say, oh my God, finally somebody who knows what she wants, who can say what she wants, get it down, handled and done, and isn't afraid or attached to the outcome. Notice, I don't care if he likes me or not. I know what I want. And if he's it, cool, we're going on a second date. If he's not it, all right, bro, it's all good. All good. No different than I was before I met you. So it's all good. And you gotta get to that place, that feeling good place within yourself so that you are truly all good. And if you know what you want, you can speak it so that there isn't this awkwardness of, are we exclusive? Are we exclusive? Yes, you saw me naked and you were inside me, honey. Yes, we are exclusive. Yes. And there's too many people out there playing that sex game and just vibing out. They're vibing low because of it. It's a huge energy exchange when you have sex with people. So be mindful of that and don't give it up so easy, because look, if you're gonna have sex with somebody and then the next day you're gonna wonder if you can text them, really? Come on, you're better than that. I'm Lisa the Love Coach. You can find me at Lisa the Love Coach on Instagram if that's your jam. Or hit me up here on YouTube where I post videos every day on the regular about dating and relationships and the real things that people are talking about behind the scenes, behind the texting, behind the phone, all about dating and relationships. Peace out, Cub Scouts, and I hope to catch you soon. Much love. Bye.